Hello guys, how are you there, my friends? I hope you're all doing fine. Let's do this analyzer. This is the second batch of 6 unit analyzers, Yokogawa analyzer unit. We're going to install this second batch. So I'm going to unload this from the lobby trailer and then erect to the foundation. Okay, now guys, the rigger is giving me a signal now. Hoist up. Oh, stop. He's not sure what will again. Hoist up again. Stop again. Okay, giving signal boom up. Okay guys, it is removed now from the support bolt, so it's free now. Okay guys, let's go. It's totally lifted. Hoisting up. This is 14,000 kilograms. Hoisting up. Swinging. I am swinging now to the foundation where we're going to erect this Yokogawa analyzer. I'm swinging as well as hoisting down. Stop. It's almost the foundation where we're going to erect. You know guys, this analyzer compartment is very expensive. If you can see, it's being blanketed during transportation. Put a blanket on it to make it safe from any dust to come inside in the compartment. It's very expensive machine, so that's why very critical lift. So, and this is very heavy. This is Yokogawa analyzer system compartment. It's almost fixed in the foundation. You see the blanket? They're cutting the blanket now. Once again, how are you there, my friends? Today is April 12, 2025. I hope you're all doing fine there. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, everybody. Thank you.